Hello students, myself Rakesh Misra. In this video lecture, we will learn about the remain portion of previous video lecture. In previous video lecture, class 11th students learn about the chemiosmotic hypothesis. That hypothesis is very important to understand the concepts of proton play important role in photosynthesis, in the synthesis of the phosphorus compound. Now we are going to talk about the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Before dark reaction, every concept like chemiosmotic hypothesis, cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the light harvesting complex, and every concept are light reaction. You rarely or you don't have idea where you have studied the synthesis of glucose. Now it's time to begin the process by which glucose synthesizing the plants during photosynthesis. So let us talk about the biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. Biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. It is sometimes known as the dark reaction. It is sometimes known as the dark reaction. One by one, I will introduce about each and every concept in very easy language. Here, the biosynthetic, the synthesis of something that is required in the biotic components, that is required in biotic life, like glucose, so called biosynthetic. Dark reaction, the reaction in which no need of light. In every concept before this topic, like chemiosmotic hypothesis, cyclic, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, light harvesting complex, photosynthetic pigments, photosystem, every concept are having the light as the initial or as the intermediate or as the last events of the reaction. But here there is no need of light. In this way, we will learn about how plants perform the complete process of the synthesis of glucose. In previous classes, you have learned the concept and biochemical reaction of photosynthesis as the 6 molecule of carbon dioxide, 6 molecule of water form glucose C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen in presence of sunlight and water. This is you have learned in class 11th, you have learned in previous classes, because the photosynthesis and their chemical is very important. Since long time you have learned about that. But the statement is not correct. Carbon dioxide and water do not immediately form the glucose. They form the intermediate product. The carbon dioxide and water react together to form the intermediate product, and that intermediate product later form the glucose. Different plants form different types of intermediate products. Some plants form phosphoglyceric acid as an intermediate product. It is sometimes known as the PGA, while some other plants form oxaloacetic acid. Very simply, it is known as OAA. So not all plants form the similar kinds of intermediate product before glucose. Some plants form phosphoglyceric acid, while some plants form oxaloacetic acid. Common formula of phosphoglyceric acid is the C3H5PO7. This is the common formula of phosphoglyceric acid. And structure is the carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 1, 2, 3. it has the COOH and it has the PO4 and having the CHOH and CH2. This is the structure of phosphoglyceric acid, formula of phosphoglyceric acid. 2, 3, 2, 5, 5 हाइड्रोजन है, बाकी 7 ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन भी सेटिस्फाइड, ठीक है। तो ये किसका स्ट्रक्चर है? फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड। In this way we can say that the 3 carbon is required for the synthesis of single molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. Now back to the formula and structure of oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid and their formula is C4H4O5. This is the formula of oxaloacetic acid, having 4 carbon required, and the structure is COOH, COOH, CH2, CH2, ठीक है। लिसन, ध्यान से सबको देखना है। इन oxaloacetic acid 4 carbon is involved. In phosphoglyceric acid, the 3 carbon compound, it is 3 carbon compound and 3 carbon involved. Plants that form phosphoglyceric acid called C3 plants, C3 plants, and plants that form oxaloacetic acid called C4 plants, C4 plants. Listen carefully. प्लांट्स जो पहले फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड बनाते हैं इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट में, बाद में ग्लूकोज बनाते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं C3 प्लांट्स। रीजन क्या है कि C3 प्लांट्स इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि जो फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड है ना, 3 कार्बन का कंपाउंड है, 3 कार्बन। फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड इज अ 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड। सो द प्लांट्स दैट फॉर्म फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड एज एन इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट नोन एज C3 प्लांट। फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड को हम लोग 3PGA भी बोलते हैं, 3 फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड। रीजन क्या है कि इसके कार्बन नंबर 3 पे फास्फोरस होता है, इसलिए इसको 3 फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड बोलते हैं। सो व्हाट इज C3 प्लांट्स? Plants that form phosphoglyceric acid as an intermediate product before glucose formation called C3 plants, ठीक है। 3 कार्बन का कंपाउंड है। And plants that form oxaloacetic acid called C4 plants, because oxaloacetic acid is 4 carbon compound, so they called 4 C4 plants. C3 plants form phosphoglyceric acid through a cyclic process. The phosphoglyceric acid form through a cyclic process. That cycle is known as C3 cycle. C3 cycle. Similarly, the oxaloacetic acid in C4 plants form as a cyclic process. So this form through a cyclic process, and that cycle is known as C4 cycle. C4 cycle. So what is C4 cycle and what is C3 cycle? Cycle in which first intermediate product is phosphoglyceric acid is called C3 cycle. Cycle in which the first intermediate product is oxaloacetic acid called the C4 cycle. C3 cycle is also known as Calvin cycle. This also known as Calvin cycle, and it is very important cycle. It will discuss in next video lecture, but keep in mind Calvin cycle is very important topic for you. The C4 cycle is also known as Haig-Slack cycle. Haig-Slack cycle, और ये कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाते हैं। सो इन दिस वीडियो लेक्चर ओवरऑल समरी, द प्लांट्स आर बेसिकली 2 टाइप्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन विच काइंड्स ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म इन देम। प्लांट्स दैट फॉर्म फास्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड कॉल्ड C3 प्लांट्स, and plants that form oxaloacetic acid called C4 plants. As we know that the phosphoglyceric acid is 3 carbon compound, so called C3 plants. As we know that the oxaloacetic acid called has the 4 carbon compound, as so called the C4 plants. ठीक है. C3 cycle is also known as the Calvin cycle discovered by Melvin Calvin, and the C4 cycle discovered by Herschel, so-called Herschel cycle. One more interesting thing should you learn. C3 cycle or Calvin cycle is common whether the plant is C4 or C3. C3 cycle कॉमन होता है चाहे प्लांट C4 हो चाहे C3. डिपेंड करता है कि पहला इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट क्या है. तो C4 साइकिल का पहला इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट ऑक्सैलो एसिटिक एसिड ही रहेगा, नो डाउट. लेकिन ऑक्सैलो एसिटिक एसिड के बाद वो इंटर करते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड में, यानी कि C3 साइकिल में, तब जाके ग्लूकोज बनता है. यानी कि हम यहाँ पे अगर एक छोटा सा डायग्राम दिखाते हैं ऐसे, इसको समझे आप लोग, सारी चीजें आप नोट कर लीजिए बैक करके. सपोज दैट कि आपका C3 प्लांट्स है, ठीक है, और ये दूसरा प्लांट्स है C4 प्लांट्स. C3 प्लांट्स क्या करेगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का इस्तेमाल करेगा, वाटर का इस्तेमाल करेगा, एनवायरमेंट से नहीं, मैं रूट से दिखा रहा हूं. और ये क्या बनाएगा, फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड, और फिर क्या बनाएगा, ग्लूकोज. तो इस वजह से ये 3 कार्बन का कंपाउंड है, इस वजह से ये क्या है, C3 साइकिल. C4 साइकिल भी यही काम करेगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज करेगा, वाटर का यूज करेगा, और क्या बनाएगा, पहले ऑक्सैलो एसिटिक एसिड, और ये ऑक्सैलो एसिटिक एसिड 4 कार्बन का कंपाउंड है, इसलिए C4 प्लांट है. लेकिन होगा क्या कि ये C4 प्लांट्स ऑक्सैलो एसिटिक एसिड को बना के आगे उसको C3 साइकिल में फॉरवर्ड कर देता है. यानी कि अब ये ऑक्सैलो एसिटिक एसिड फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट होता है. ये फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड फिर क्या बनाता है, ये बनाता है ग्लूकोज. ठीक है, ये बनाता है ग्लूकोज, और ग्लूकोज जो है प्लांट्स में इन करता है. इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट इन C3 प्लांट्स द टोटल इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट इज ओनली फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड, and in C4 plants the two type of intermediate product as the oxaloacetic acid and phosphoglyceric acid form. But depending upon which kinds of intermediate product form first, we can say that the oxaloacetic acid as the first intermediate product in C4 plants, and C3 plant has only phosphoglyceric acid. So why the some plants C4 and some plants C3? Listen, the plants that form first intermediate product as a phosphoglyceric acid is called C3 plants, and plants that form first intermediate product as oxaloacetic acid called C4 plants. ठीक है, पहले इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट क्या बनता है, इसलिए वैल्यू रखता है, और इसमें पहले इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट ऑक्सैलोएसिटिक एसिड बनता है, इस वजह से ये C4 प्लांट्स है, और ये पहले बनता है फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड. ठीक है, इसमें बाद में फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड बनता है थ्रू द C3 साइकिल और थ्रू द कैल्विन साइकिल, लेकिन वो बाद का स्टेज है. आगे हम लोग पूरे जब डिटेल समझेंगे तो रीजन समझ पाएंगे, अभी कुछ नहीं समझेंगे. अभी सिर्फ यही जानना है कि C3 cycle is common in both the C4 plants and C3 plants, but the C3 cycle, the C4 cycle is only present in the C4 plants. ठीक है, ये ओवरऑल कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसको आप लोग नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. The C3 cycle is common in both whether the plant is C4 or C3. ठीक है, in next video lecture we will learn about the C3 cycle or Calvin cycle. Thank you.